Hello students, let's solve some problems of gross profit ratio. This is the first problem. Calculate gross profit ratio from the following. Information is given. Opening inventories 50,000, purchases 1,50,000, return outwards 20,000 rupees, wages rupees 10,000, revenue from operations rupees 2,50,000 and closing inventories rupees 40,000. So now let's solve this problem. Let's solve first problem now. In the problem, they have told us to calculate gross profit ratio. So first we will write the formula. Gross profit ratio is equal to gross profit divided by revenue from operations, that is sales, okay, into 100. This is the formula. Now in this problem gross profit is not given, so to calculate gross profit we have to deduct cost of revenue from operations from revenue from operations, and from the given information we have to calculate cost of revenue from operations. Okay, so let's calculate first cost of revenue from operations. And cost of revenue from operations आपल्याला फॉर्म्युला माहिती आहे. ओपनिंग इन्व्हेंटरी प्लस परचेसेस प्लस नेट परचेसेस, म्हणजे आपल्याला परचेसेसमधून रिटर्न्स लेस करून घ्यायचे, प्लस वेजेस और कॅरेज इनवर्ड, वेजेस आर गिवन हियर, सो प्लस वेजेस अँड मायनस क्लोजिंग इन्व्हेंटरी. Okay, so cost of revenue from operations is equal to amount of opening inventory is given 50,000, see the problem, plus net purchases amount is 1,50,000 and return outwards is 20,000, so net purchases will be 1,30,000. Understood? Plus wages amount is 10,000 minus closing inventory is given rupees 40,000, so is equal to 1,90,000 minus 40,000, and that is 1,50,000 rupees. 1,50,000 rupees. Okay. Now we will calculate gross profit now. So gross profit is equal to revenue from operations minus cost of revenue from operations म्हणजेच सेल्समधून कॉस्ट ऑफ सेल्स मायनस केलं की ग्रॉस प्रॉफिट येतो. रेव्हेन्यू फ्रॉम ऑपरेशन्स प्रॉब्लेममध्ये दिले 2,50,000 minus cost of revenue from operations, just we have calculated it, 1,50,000, so gross profit is rupees 1 lakh. Gross profit is rupees 1 lakh. Okay, आता आपल्याला ग्रॉस प्रॉफिट रेशो काढता येईल, कारण आपल्याला ग्रॉस प्रॉफिट माहिती आहे, रेव्हेन्यू फ्रॉम ऑपरेशन्स आहेत आणि इंटू 100 करायचं आहे. देअरफॉर ग्रॉस प्रॉफिट रेशो is equal to gross profit is rupees 1 lakh divided by revenue from operations 2,50,000 into 100. So we will cancel these 5 zeros with, sorry, these 4 zeros with these 4 zeros. 10 upon 25 into 100, so it will be 1,000. इथे आपण 25 ने भाग देऊन टाकूया. 10 into 4, that is 40, so 40%. Gross profit ratio is 40%. Okay, so we have completed the first problem here. Now today's second problem. Details of two companies are given here, and we have to calculate gross profit ratio and compare the performance of these companies. Okay, see the problem. From the following figures pertaining to two companies, A Limited and B Limited, belonging to plastic industry, calculate the gross profit ratio of the two companies. Which company is doing better? Details are given. Net profit after interest, A Limited rupees 75,000, B Limited rupees 1,10,000. Indirect expenses rupees 10,000 and rupees 15,000. Interest paid on debentures 15,000 and rupees 25,000. Revenue from operations 3,30,000 and 3,80,000. Revenue from operation returns means sales returns 10,000 and rupees 20,000. Okay, so let's start. Let's solve this problem. आता प्रॉब्लेम सेकंड. A लिमिटेड अँड बी लिमिटेडची कंपॅरिझन करायचं आहे आपल्याला. आफ्टर कॅल्क्युलेटिंग ग्रॉस प्रॉफिट वी हॅव टू compare the performance of A Limited and B Limited. First I will write the formula of gross profit ratio. So gross profit ratio is equal to gross profit divided by revenue from operations into 100. Okay, so see the problem. Here net profit after interest is given, indirect expenses, interest paid on debentures, and gross sales and gross and returns are given in this problem. Okay, so आपल्याला तर ग्रॉस प्रॉफिट काढायचा आहे. आपण फायनल अकाउंट शिकलेलो आहोत. विचार करा, ग्रॉस प्रॉफिट मधून इनडायरेक्ट एक्सपेन्सेस म्हणजे ऑफिस एक्सपेन्सेस, सेलिंग एक्सपेन्सेस, हे सगळे एक्सपेन्सेस मायनस केले, इंटरेस्ट वगैरे सारखे फायनान्शियल एक्सपेन्सेस मायनस केले की नेट प्रॉफिट येतो. बरोबर आहे. आणि या ठिकाणी आपल्याला नेट प्रॉफिट आफ्टर इंटरेस्ट दिलेलं आहे, इनडायरेक्ट एक्सपेन्सेस दिलेले आहेत, इंटरेस्ट ऑन डिबेंचर्स दिलेले आहे. मग नेट प्रॉफिटमध्ये हे सगळे एक्सपेन्सेस आपण ॲड केले की आपल्याला ग्रॉस प्रॉफिट कळेल. लक्षात येतं आहे? लॉजिक लक्षात येते सगळ्यांच्या? ओके, सो टू कॅल्क्युलेट ग्रॉस प्रॉफिट वी हॅव टू ॲड ऑल एक्सपेन्सेस इन नेट प्रॉफिट. सो नेट प्रॉफिट आफ्टर इंटरेस्ट. After interest means after deducting interest. So we have to add interest in that, plus all indirect expenses. म्हणजे आपण उलटं करतोय. पहिल्यांदा ग्रॉस प्रॉफिट येतो, त्याच्यामधून इंटरेस्ट मायनस केला जातो, इनडायरेक्ट एक्सपेन्सेस मायनस केले जातात, मग नेट प्रॉफिट येतो. ओके, आपण नेट प्रॉफिटकडून ग्रॉस प्रॉफिट कॅल्क्युलेट करतोय. सो ग्रॉस प्रॉफिट इज इक्वल टू नेट प्रॉफिट आफ्टर इंटरेस्ट गिवन इन द प्रॉब्लेम इज 75,000. सी द प्रॉब्लेम. प्लस इंटरेस्ट ऑन डिबेंचर्स. ए लिमिटेडसाठी काढते मी आता, दोन्हीचं काढावं लागेल. ए लिमिटेड, नंतर आपण हीच अमाऊंट बी लिमिटेडसाठी काढू. ए लिमिटेडसाठी 15,000 प्लस indirect expenses 10,000. So it is 1 lakh. ए लिमिटेडची अमाऊंट ग्रॉस प्रॉफिटची आलेली आहे 1 लाख. आता बी लिमिटेडसाठी काढूया. बी लिमिटेडसाठी नेट प्रॉफिट आफ्टर इंटरेस्ट इज 1,10,000 प्लस इंटरेस्ट ऑन डिबेंचर्स इज 25,000 plus indirect expenses are 15,000 rupees. It is 1,50,000. ओके, सो ए आणि बीचा ग्रॉस प्रॉफिट आपल्याला कळलेला आहे. आता रेव्हेन्यू फ्रॉम ऑपरेशन्स बघूया. रेव्हेन्यू फ्रॉम ऑपरेशन्समध्ये ग्रॉस रेव्हेन्यू फ्रॉम ऑपरेशन्स दिलं आहे आणि रिटर्न्स दिले, त्यामुळे दोन्हीचं आपल्याला नेट सेल्स म्हणजे नेट रेव्हेन्यू फ्रॉम ऑपरेशन्स काढावं लागेल. सो सी हियर. net revenue from operations is equal to gross revenue minus returns. Okay, so first I will calculate for A Limited and then for B Limited. A Limited's gross sales is given 3,30,000. Net revenue from operations is equal to gross revenue is given 3,30,000 minus returns 10,000. So amount is 3,20,000. Okay, for B Limited नेट रेवेन्यू फ्रॉम ऑपरेशन्स काढतो आहे आपण. ग्रॉस 3,80,000 मायनस रिटर्न्स 20,000. सो इट विल बी 3,60,000 रुपीज. सो आपल्याला नेट रेवेन्यू फ्रॉम ऑपरेशन्स मिळालेले आहे. ए लिमिटेड 3,20,000, बी लिमिटेड 3,60,000. नाव वी हॅव टू कॅल्क्युलेट ग्रॉस प्रॉफिट रेशो. सो gross profit ratio of A Limited is equal to gross profit ratio of A Limited is equal to, see the amount here, gross profit divided by net revenue into 100. Gross profit for A Limited is rupees 1 lakh. So 1 lakh divided by 3,20,000 into 100. 10/32 into 100. So it will be 1,000 divided by 32 and the percentage will be 31.25%. Okay, now gross profit ratio of B Limited. Gross profit of B Limited is 1,50,000. So 1,50,000 divided by 3,60,000 into 100. So the percentage is 41.67%. Okay, the ratio of A Limited is 31.25% and gross profit ratio of B Limited is 41.67%. So gross profit of B Limited is higher, so it shows that B Limited is operating with better efficiency with comparison to A Limited. Okay, so here we can write our comment. From these ratios, GP ratio of B Limited is higher. It means B Limited is doing better than A Limited. Okay, in this way we have to write comment. त्यांनी आपल्याला कमेंट लिहायला सांगितली कारण त्यामुळे. Okay, next problem now. Calculate the gross profit ratio from the following information. Credit revenue from operations rupees 3 lakhs. Cash revenue from operations being 25% of total revenue from operations. Purchases rupees 3,20,000 and excess of closing inventory over opening inventory rupees 40,000. So let's solve this problem and calculate gross profit ratio. आता नेक्स्ट प्रॉब्लेम, हा जो प्रॉब्लेम आहे तो we have discussed this problem. Here credit revenue from operation is given and cash revenue from operation is 25% of total revenue from operations. but total revenue from operations is not given. So we will assume total revenue from operation rupees 100. Therefore assume total revenue from operations is rupees 100. Okay, so cash revenue will be, therefore cash is 25% of total revenue, so it will be rupees 25. Okay, and therefore credit revenue from operations obviously will be 75 rupees. हे कळलं तुम्हाला? आता आपल्याला मांडणी करायचे. बघा या ठिकाणी क्रेडिट रेव्हेन्यू 75 असतो, त्यावेळी टोटल रेव्हेन्यू 100 असतो. वेन क्रेडिट रेव्हेन्यू फ्रॉम ऑपरेशन्स इज 75 रुपीज, total revenue from operations is 100. Then when credit revenue from operations given in the problem is rupees 3 lakhs, what will be the total revenue? Okay, so here when credit revenue is 75, total revenue is 100. Then when credit revenue given in the problem is 3 lakhs, what will be the total revenue? Okay, so 3 lakhs divided by 75 into 100. 3 lakhs divided by 75 into 100. Okay, so 4,000 into 100, that is rupees 4 lakhs. Therefore total revenue from operations is equal to rupees 4 lakhs. ओके, सो आपल्याला आता टोटल रेव्हेन्यू फ्रॉम ऑपरेशन्स मिळालेले आहेत. नाव वी हॅव टू कॅल्क्युलेट कॉस्ट ऑफ रेव्हेन्यू फ्रॉम ऑपरेशन्स. कॉस्ट ऑफ रेव्हेन्यू फ्रॉम ऑपरेशनसाठी आपण द फॉर्म्युला इज ओपनिंग इन्व्हेंटरी ॲड परचेसेस ॲड इफ देर आर वेजेस or carriage inventory etc. and minus closing inventory. But here difference between closing inventory and opening inventory is given. It is excess of closing inventory over opening inventory, so it is negative amount actually. So we have to deduct it from purchases, then we will get cost of revenue from operations. Okay, so cost of revenue operations is equal to purchases minus excess of closing inventory or opening inventory. तुम्हाला याचं मीनिंग कळलंय का? बघा, आपण ओपनिंग इन्व्हेंटरी आणि परचेसेस ॲड करतो आणि त्याच्यातून क्लोजिंग इन्व्हेंटरी लेस करतो, बरोबर आहे. बट क्लोजिंग इन्व्हेंटरी इज एक्सेस दॅन ओपनिंग इन्व्हेंटरी, सो द आन्सर इज निगेटिव्ह. सो वी हॅव टू डिडक्ट इट फ्रॉम परचेसेस. कळतं आहे? सो परचेसेस अमाऊंट गिवन इन द प्रॉब्लेम इज 3,20,000 minus excess of closing inventory or opening inventory rupees 40,000. So the answer will be 2,80,000. So cost of revenue from operations is 2,80,000. ओके, आपण हे सगळं कशासाठी काढलं आहे तर आपल्याला ग्रॉस प्रॉफिट दिलेलं नाही आहे. वी हॅव टू कॅल्क्युलेट ग्रॉस प्रॉफिट. नाव फ्रॉम टोटल रेव्हेन्यू we will deduct cost of revenue from operations, then we will get gross profit. Therefore gross profit is equal to total from operations, total revenue from operations minus cost of operations. So total revenue we have calculated 4 lakhs minus cost of revenue from operations 2,80,000. Okay, so the answer will be rupees 1,20,000. So gross profit is rupees 1,20,000. Okay, now we can calculate gross profit ratio. So gross profit ratio is equal to gross profit divided by revenue from operations, means net revenue from operations, into 100. Gross profit we have calculated 1,20,000 divided by net total revenue from operations is rupees 4 lakhs into rupees 100. So 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4, this 4 will be cancelled, 0 will be cancelled with this. 4 1s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 3 into 10 it is 30%. So gross profit ratio is 30% in this problem. Next problem, compute the gross profit ratio from the following information. Revenue from operations rupees 4 lakhs and gross profit is 25% on cost. So let's solve. खरं तर हा प्रॉब्लेम इझी आहे. ओनली 2 थिंग्स आर गिवन. रेव्हेन्यू फ्रॉम ऑपरेशन्स रुपीज 4 lakhs अँड ग्रॉस प्रॉफिट 25% ऑन कॉस्ट. ओके, त्यावरून आपल्याला ग्रॉस प्रॉफिट रेशो काढायचा आहे. आपण इथे लिहूया, ग्रॉस प्रॉफिट इज इक्वल टू 25% on cost. Okay, therefore I will assume cost is equal to rupees 100. Okay, therefore GP, that is gross profit, will be rupees 25, and therefore sales, that is revenue from operations, will be rupees 125. Revenue from operations will be rupees 125. ओके, आता आपण नेहमी करतो तसं मांडणी करूया. इफ रेव्हेन्यू फ्रॉम ऑपरेशन इज 125, ग्रॉस प्रॉफिट इज 25, then given revenue from operation is 4 lakhs, what is the gross profit? Okay, so if revenue from operation is rupees 125, in this relation gross profit is rupees 25, then given revenue from operation is rupees 4 lakhs, then what will be the gross profit? Okay, so 4 lakhs divided by 125 into 25. 4 lakhs divided by 125 into 25. Understood? So and the answer is rupees 80,000. So here gross profit is equal to rupees 80,000. ओके, आता आपल्याला ग्रॉस प्रॉफिट कळलेलं आहे. रेव्हेन्यू फ्रॉम ऑपरेशन्स प्रॉब्लेममध्ये दिलेलंच आहे. सो नाऊ कॅल्क्युलेटिंग ग्रॉस प्रॉफिट रेशो इज व्हेरी इझी. सो gross profit ratio is equal to gross profit divided by revenue from operations into 100. So gross profit is 80,000 divided by revenue from operations given is 4 lakhs into 100. So these 4 zeros will be cancelled with these 4 zeros. This will be this. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 2 into 10, that is 20%. So gross profit ratio in this problem is 20%. And last problem now. See this problem. Opening inventory rupees 60,000, closing inventory rupees 1 lakh, inventory turnover ratio 8 times, selling price 25% above cost. Calculate the gross profit ratio. So from the given information, we have to calculate the gross profit ratio. So let's start now. And this last problem. See, in this problem, they have given us inventory turnover ratio and opening inventory and closing inventory is also given. So from inventory turnover ratio, we have to calculate cost of revenue from operations. Okay, because we know the inventory turnover ratio is equal to cost of revenue from operations divided by average inventory. So first we will calculate average inventory. We have inventory turnover ratio, so we can calculate the missing amount, that is cost of revenue from operations, from that ratio. Okay, so let's calculate first average inventory. Therefore average inventory is equal to opening inventory plus closing inventory divided by 2. So average inventory is equal to opening inventory given is 60,000 plus 1 lakh divided by 2, that is 1,60,000 divided by 2 means rupees 80,000. So average inventory is rupees 80,000. आता आपण will write the formula of inventory turnover ratio. Okay, so म्हणजे तुमच्या लक्षात येते का बघा, सगळ्या रेशोचे फॉर्म्युले तुमच्या लक्षात पाहिजेत. इन्व्हेंटरी टर्नओव्हर रेशो इज इक्वल टू कॉस्ट ऑफ रेव्हेन्यू फ्रॉम ऑपरेशन्स divided by average inventory okay. Inventory turnover ratio given in the problem is 8 times, so 8 is equal to cost of revenue from operations divided by average inventory is rupees 80,000. Okay, so cost of revenue from operation is equal to 80,000 into 8. Understood? Therefore is equal to 80,000 into 8, so it is 6,40,000. Cost of revenue from operations we have calculated 6,40,000. Okay, now the next paper. Cost of revenue from operations आता आपल्याला कळलेलं आहे. And now they told us in the problem that selling price is 25% above cost. Okay, 25% above cost means 25% more than the cost. Understood? So selling price will be, if cost is 100, selling price will be 125. लक्षात येत आहे? Therefore selling price is equal to 25% above cost. Therefore cost is assumed rupees 100. Okay, then selling price, that is selling price means revenue from operations. Okay, selling price will be operations will be 125 rupees. Okay, so आता आपल्याला मांडणी करायचे. जर कॉस्ट मीन्स कॉस्ट ऑफ रेव्हेन्यू फ्रॉम ऑपरेशन्स, कॉस्ट ऑफ रेव्हेन्यू फ्रॉम ऑपरेशन्स 100 असतं, त्यावेळेला रेव्हेन्यू फ्रॉम ऑपरेशन्स 125 असतं. देन कॉस्ट ऑफ रेव्हेन्यू फ्रॉम ऑपरेशन्स वी हॅव कॅल्क्युलेटेड 6,40,000. what will be the revenue from operations? Okay, therefore मी आता शॉर्ट फॉर्ममध्ये लिहिते. कॉस्ट लिहूया. कॉस्ट ऑफ रेव्हेन्यू फ्रॉम ऑपरेशन्स. परत तुम्हाला कळलं नाही असं व्हायला नको. कॉस्ट ऑफ रेव्हेन्यू फ्रॉम ऑपरेशन्स आणि रेव्हेन्यू फ्रॉम ऑपरेशन्स. तुम्ही ही सगळी मांडणी इन सेंटेन्ससुद्धा लिहू शकता. म्हणजे सेंटेन्स लिहायची. इफ कॉस्ट ऑफ रेव्हेन्यू फ्रॉम ऑपरेशन्स इज 100, देन रेव्हेन्यू फ्रॉम ऑपरेशन्स इज ₹125 वगैरे अशा पद्धतीने तसंही लिहू शकता. हे दिस इज ए शॉर्ट फॉर्म. ओके. इफ कॉस्ट ऑफ रेव्हेन्यू फ्रॉम ऑपरेशन्स इज 100, revenue from operations is 125, our cost of revenue from operations is 6,40,000, then what will be the revenue from operations. ही सगळी वाक्य तुम्ही हे अशी मांडणी न करता रायटिंगमध्ये पण लिहू शकता इन द फॉर्म ऑफ सेंटेन्सेस. ओके. सो हियर 6,40,000 divided by 100 into 125. Okay. 6,40,000 divided by 100 into 125. These two zeros will be cancelled with these two zeros. 6,400 into 125. So the answer is rupees 8 lakhs. So revenue from operations is 8 lakhs. Okay. And we have cost of revenue from operations 6,40,000 already. And now from this information we can calculate gross profit. Okay. Therefore, gross profit is equal to revenue from operations minus cost of revenue from operations. This is very much interesting, but you have to keep it in mind, the relationship and the formulas. Revenue from operations is rupees 8 lakhs minus 6,40,000, that is cost of revenue from operations. So the answer is 1,60,000 rupees. So we got the gross profit amount, that is 1,60,000 rupees. Okay. Now we can calculate gross profit ratio. Finally, gross profit ratio is equal to gross profit divided by revenue from operations into 100. So gross profit ratio is equal to, gross profit is 1,60,000 divided by revenue from operations is 8 lakhs into 100. Okay. So these 4 zeros will be cancelled with these 4 zeros. This 1 0 with this 1 0. 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16. 2 into 10, that is 20%. So gross profit ratio as per the requirement in this problem is 20%. Okay. So solve all these problems in your notebook one by one, and if there is any doubt you can ask anytime. This is very interesting. सगळे फॉर्म्युलाज जे आहेत ते तुमच्या लक्षात राहायला पाहिजेत. रिलेशन लक्षात राहायला पाहिजे. सो you have to concentrate on this topic properly. Okay. That's all for today.